It wasn't working very well. We had huge issues with keys getting lost. Administrating keys was a huge task. We spent a lot of time on it, approximately 5 hours a week.
Today, Henrik Kekel only spends 5 minutes a week managing the locks at Vejle Free School. The old-fashioned keys have been replaced by SMARTair tags, which Henrik easily programs in no time.
The biggest task really is to figure out which class to enter and then to remember the name. Apart from that, it takes 1 minute to program the students' access rights.
Around 250 students, teachers and parents now use tags as keys. In the software, Henrik simply selects which of the 82 doors and lockers the users should have access to.
I think it's extremely easy to administrate.
It's no disaster if a tag gets lost.
In that case, we simply cancel the tag and make a new one. If the tag is later found, we simply reset it and put it aside until the next time someone needs a new tag.
At Vejle Free School, the parents come during weekends to clean up at the school. Before, with the old-fashioned keys, Henrik often got called up on weekends because someone needed a key to access the building.
Then I had to get in the car and drive here to unlock the door. It was a 20-kilometer drive each way.
Today, there are no drives.
Now I simply take my phone and unlock the door using the app. That's it.
At first, people were a bit skeptical about the tags, but that has changed completely.
Now they come and ask me if it's really necessary for them to keep their old-fashioned keys, or whether they can just get rid of them. Today, they find it really easy.